Maserati takes another step towards a new chapter of its story. The brand will unveil a special GranTurismo Zéda to mark the end of production of Maserati GranTurismo. The new car coincides with the brand's recent announcement to add more production innovation at the factory in Modena. Electrification and autonomous driving will commence. The Maserati GranTurismo represents the maximum expression of the brand's GT character thanks to the amazing 4.7-liter Ferrari V8 engine capable of delivering 460 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 520 Nm of torque at 4,750 RPM. The GranTurismo and Gran Cabrio has been produced since 2007. More than 40,000 of the iconic cars have been sold throughout the world, of which 28,805 were GranTurismo and 11,715 were Gran Cabrio.